A very good morning, dear all. Okay, today we will see the textual explanation of this chapter. Okay, grammar. So first, we have already understood what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun. Okay, so here fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives. The first one, he was as a fox. Okay, so we have to add anything. Okay, any adjectives you can add. Dash books are mine. Okay, red books are mine, those books are mine, whatever. Answers may be vary. आप सबके आंसर अलग हो सकते हैं. So March is the dash month of the year. Big month, hottest month of the year. बहुत गर्म होता है मार्च में. Okay, गर्मी होती है. He did not have dash money to buy shoes. Much money or more money. Okay, much or more आपको लिखना है. Okay, the farmer had dash cows, 3 cows, 5 cows, 4 cows. Okay, at dash time shall we live. Okay, so in our first exercise you will have to write adjectives and answers may be vary. आपके अलग-अलग आंसर हो सकते हैं. Okay, now let's see the degrees of adjectives. Okay, we have already seen the 3 types of degree. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. So here the positive degree, there is no comparison. Okay, for example, Ravi is tall. There is no comparison in positive degree. Comparative degree, okay, comparison between two nouns or pronouns. Like Aman is taller than Ravi. Okay, there is a comparison between Aman and Ravi. Two person, two place, two things, two animals in a comparative degree. So here is a comparison between Aman and Ravi. Okay, so how we write this sentence? We have to write ER to the adjective और by को cancel करके IER और after the adjective in comparative degree we have added THAN. Okay, then a superlative degree. Superlative degree more than two nouns or pronouns. For example, Shania is the tallest of them all. So how it is syntax is Sanya. Okay, and we have to add the before the adjective. In comparative degree, after them, adjective after them, but in superlative degree we have to add the before and adjective and est, tallest of them all. Okay, now let's see the rules of this adjectives. Okay, actually we have already seen, but it is a textual explanation. Let's see it again. Okay, the first, adjective usually form their comparative and superlative degrees by the addition of er or r and est or st to the positive degree. If it is, what is er and r? Okay, if already have e, so the adjective has already e, last letter is e, so we have to add only r. Okay, there is no e, then we have to add er. So for example, bright, brighter, brightest. Okay, brave, braver, bravest. Okay, first rule is add er or est. Okay, in words ending in y, we delete the final y and add IER and IEST. For example, costly, cancel by costlier and costliest. Okay. In some words, we place more and most before the positive form. For example, active, more syllable word, so more active and most active. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Okay. Some adjectives do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that these adjectives do not follow any rules. These adjectives do not follow any rules. So આપણે આ યાદ જ રાખવા પડે કે bad comparison is worse and worst. Good comparative is better and superlative best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Okay, so આટલા આપણે adjectives યાદ જ રાખવા પડે. Okay, we have no choice. We have no choice. Okay, so now our exercise, fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjectives given in brackets. So first we have to identify which degree is used in this sentence. Okay, जो comparative હોય તો જે bracket માં adjective છે એને er કે est લાગે, સોરી ier કે er કે ier લાગે, બરાબર. જો કેન્સલ y હોય તો ier અને y નો હોય તો er. जो superlative હોય તો iest or st or est. Okay, so let's see the first one. So you will have to identify the degree of an adjective. Which degree is used in this blanks? Birbal was the dash of all at Akbar's court. Okay, so all, the, when we use the in a superlative degree before the adjective, so what is our answer? WISEHT. Already is E is here. That's why only add HT. Wisest of all at Akbar's court. Okay, I think Nikhil is the best boy in class. Nikhil comparison with all the boys in the class. So the is used here and the is used in a superlative degree. So naughty. Okay, so you will have to write the answer. What is the superlative degree of naughty? The mathematics test was less than science test. There is a comparison between two subjects, maths and science. So it is a comparative degree. So you will have to write the comparative form of the word difficult. Okay, so now the fourth one. Your book is in dash condition than mine. So here is a comparison between your book and my book. Condition bad. So we have to write down the comparative form of the word bad. Bad નું comparative લખવાનું છે. Okay. Then number 5. This is the dash news of the day. This is the. એટલે બધી ન્યૂઝ ની સરખામણી કરેલી છે અહીંયા. This is the dash news of the day. Good. And we have to write down the adjective good in a superlative degree. It is a superlative degree. My room is dash than my brother's room. Here is a comparison between two rooms, my room and my brother's room. So it is a comparative degree. So we have to write down the tidy in a comparative form. Okay, write down, do it yourself. This exercise you will have to do it yourselves. Now next point is, okay, next point is order of adjectives. Order of adjectives. Let's see the order of adjectives. Okay, so now here read these sentences. She bought a huge round Swiss watch and she had a small round red wooden box. Okay, here is so many adjectives used in a single sentence. Huge, round, Swiss, okay, small, round, red, wooden. So many adjectives used in a single sentence. Okay, let's move ahead to the next page. So sometimes we have to follow some rules to write down in a proper order and adjectives. अगर एक ही सेंटेंस में बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव्स यूज किए गए हैं तो उसको पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं हम. कैसे लिखते हैं देखते हैं. ओके, समटाइम्स we may use एडजेक्टिव टू डिस्क्राइब समथिंग, है ना, बहुत सुंदर, सुशील, इंटेलिजेंट, क्लेवर, है ना, ऐसा एक ही आदमी के लिए बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव यूज करते हैं, तो कैसे लिखेंगे समथिंग? इन दैट केस वी मस्ट पुट एडजेक्टिव इन ऑर्डर, तो एडजेक्टिव को हमें ऑर्डर्स के अंदर ही लिखने हैं. द एडजेक्टिव्स इन अ सेंटेंस अपीयर इन दिस ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट ओपिनियन, okay, like beautiful, handsome, clever, opinion, our opinion. Then size, small, big. First we have to write opinion, then size, small, big, tall, okay. Then age, means new, old, okay. Then write shape, round, square, rectangle, whatever, okay. Then color, round के shape के बाद color, okay. Then red, pink, yellow, green, blue, white, okay. Then origin, it means कहाँ से है, okay, like Chinese, Indian, Italian, French, American, Britishers, okay, origin. Then material, wooden, iron, silk, silken, whatever the material is. So remember this order, okay. First is, what is our first is okay, opinion. First is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material. Remember, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material. Remember this order, okay. If we want to write so many adjectives in a single sentence and the same sentence, we have to follow this order. આપણે એવું ગમે તેમ ન લખી શકીએ, okay. So now let's see the exercise, okay. We have to follow this order. So now here the first one I will tell you the answer, okay. My mother bought rare Chinese old metal artifacts from the fair, okay. So how many adjectives used in this sentence, okay? Just think about it. How many adjectives used in this sentence?